Likense high pressure shower head. So this is a shower head that comes with a hose and attachment that is stainless steel. So it's going to come with a holder and a PTFE tape as well for ease of setting it up. It has multiple different spray modes to meet your different needs. So there is a pause, mist, massage and misty, massage, saturating massage, a saturating spray, sweeping spray, saturating spray, wide span, and a point jet. So depending on how intense you want your cleaning to be. I love when showers have a stainless steel hose, which is included with this one because it's great for cleaning up walls or your feet, or if you need to clean your pets, it makes it super easy. Adjustable mount holder. And then you do get a manual with it for setting it up. It really just takes a couple of minutes to set up the whole thing in itself. Really love it. Check it out.